Machine, turn back now. The layers of this palace are not for your kind. Turn back or you will be crossing the will of God. Your choice is made. As the righteous hand of the Father, I shall rend you apart, and you will become inanimate once more. Behold the power of an angel. Hello everyone, thank you for watching my video. Uh, I took my time using the voice lines, and you can tell me your opinions in the comments. So yeah, I need to thank my friend Seth Chippy Flair for, or call him Top Hat, for making this little fan of me. If you see it on the top, and I made a Kofi account so you can support it directly. Is in the comment section. You can send me a tip or just support me normally. Have fun and have a good time or a good afternoon, depend the time zone you're in. Have a good time. See ya.